Hello students of class 9. Today I have come not with the theory class but something to say about your practical classes and what and how you have to make your practical and project files. So students, I think by now you have known what is there in your practical syllabus. I think all of you have got a lab manual, science lab manual. There you will see so many pages have been given, one side white and other side ruled, that is interleaf. What you have to do is, in biology you have to write the entire writings in the ruled side, and whatever diagrams you will make, that you have to draw in the white side. While drawing you have to use only pencil. No color and no shading is allowed while drawing the diagrams in biology. Only use pencil for drawing and for leveling. And at the first page of your lab manual you will see there is a column given for the index. There you have to also fill up according to your experiment number and your name of the experiment along with the page number. Okay, so today let me tell you what you have to do in biology practical for class 9 for the midterm examination. Here this time you have to do only one biology practical. You have to write in your lab manual copy provided to you. There what you do is you have to write this practical. Which one? To prepare stained temporary mount of onion peel. If you have a book you can open it, your lab manual book. I think it's written there how you have to write. Still then I am instructing you how you have to do it. You will see where from you write, you will see there it's given theory portion. You don't need to write the theory portion in biology. Start from the aim. What is the aim of your first practical? To prepare stained temporary mount of onion peel. This is your first aim. So there you will write aim at the top and then you will start writing like this way. No need to write the theory portion given in the book. After that you will write materials required. What materials you need for performing your experiment. Next you have to write the procedure. Write the procedure in points. Okay, and you will see in your book it's written in direct sentence. Don't do it. Try to write it in your own words. Use indirect sentence for writing the procedure. Okay, then you have to write this procedure in points. You can see in your book also it is given. You use your own words for writing. After that you will see some diagrams have been given. The cell structure of onion peel or plant cell, how it's given you will see in your book, and you have to draw the leveled diagram on the white side of your copy. Only writing portion will be there in the ruled side, and whatever diagrams are given it should be completely done on the white side of the copy. After taking this procedure, you are drawing the diagrams and you have to label the diagrams. About what diagrams? What is the diagram about? Suppose you can see here, pull the transparent film of onion peel. This diagram, under the diagram you have to write what the diagram is of. Then you have to write the observation. What observations have been recorded after performing this experiment, that you have to write in your own words. After that the inference. Okay, the inference, and finally the precautions. The precautions are the must. The precautions, what precautionary measures should be taken to perform the experiment, is all you have to write. I hope you have understood. The second part of the experiment starts with to prepare stained temporary mount of human cheek cells. This is the second part of the experiment. You are doing only single experiment, but this experiment comprises of two parts. Here also your aim. First you will write all this, both these experiments should start from a new page. Suppose your previous experiment is starting is ending in half of the page, so please don't start another new experiment or another new part of the experiment in the same page. Turn over the page, start a new experiment from a new page. So what you will write here now: aim to prepare stained temporary mount of human cheek cells. Then leave a line, write materials required, go to the next line, whatever materials you require you write. After that, write the procedure in points using your own words. After that, the observation, what is observed from this experiment. Then again you will have the diagram of the cheek cells. This diagram you have to do on the white side, and leveling also should be done with pencil only. Please don't use any pen mark or any color on the white side. Remember it, do it very carefully. And finally you have to write the inference, and after that the precautions. Okay, this experiment you will write in your biology lab manual. This is for your midterm. Next, you will be provided with a project which you have to submit. This biology project should be done in a channel file. Okay, you should use A4 paper, that is the white page, for making this project, and you have to paste relevant pictures according to the topic of your project. Project work without any picture will not be entertained. You may draw the diagrams or you may paste the pictures in your file, but pictures are must for submission of any project work. So this time you know the natural resources chapter which you are having in biology, that is coming under the internal assessment. So for that reason, no questions will be coming from this chapter. In theory portion, only you have to make a project based on this chapter. I'll give you few topics for the project, and whatever topic you like the most or whatever topic you think will be suitable for you, you can select any topic and make a project on your own. You can take the help of your books, you can take the help from the internet, but project work should be completed in time. Okay, so I'll give you some topics for the project. So you have been given 4 topics. From here you can select any topic according to your interest and make the project in the channel file. Okay, you may provide the project handwritten or you can take printout of the project also. It is up to you how you decorate your project. You can use color also except red and green. You can use any color for making your project colorful. Remember, please do not use red and green color for decoration of your project. Project, it's up to you how you make your project colorful, decorative and informative. So you have been given 4 topics, you can see here. First topic, project on natural resources. The entire natural resources which you are having in your syllabus, you can make a project of the entire chapter in very gist manner. And second topic, project on air, water or soil. You can select any one from air, water or soil and you can make a project on that. Third topic is different biogeochemical cycles of the environment. Fourth topic is global warming and ozone depletion. Okay, so from here You have got so many options. Whatever project you think you will be able to perform, you will be able to make out, please select only that topic. Don't get influenced by others. It's your wish, it's your project, and you have to make it very attractive and very informative. So whatever informations you require, you collect it and make your project work. And don't remember to paste the relevant pictures based on your selected topic for the project work. Okay, so you have been assigned practical and one project for your midterm. So get well prepared with that. Please start completing your practical work and project. Practical work should be done in the lab manual copy, and the project should be done in a file. File means channel file you can use, or any file you can use for your project, but it should be very attractive. Okay, so till this much today. Bye.